Hi friends, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics here. Now, Conceptual Orthopedics is being the front bearer, the flag bearer of some important trademark offline courses. I'm going to talk about the trauma team here, what they're bringing to you. On 17th and 18th of May, we will be having the Foundation Trauma course in Hyderabad. The beautiful structure of the course, the live interactions with the faculties face to face, and then continuous interaction with the faculties over next few months on the Telegram is the benchmark which has been not defeated till in this country. The lectures, the interactions, the case presentations, and the way the things are explained are absolutely pristine and beautiful. What I suggest is, if you are a resident or if you are somebody who's beyond a resident and wants to abreast his basics of trauma, understand the concepts and have a stimulated thought process to achieve better surgical results, this is something you must never ever miss. Also, this foundation course after 2 weeks, that is on 31st May and 1st June, would be in the Delhi NCR region, the Vidya Jeevan Seton at Greater Noida. Now again, the same faculty, the same structure of the course, everything is same. Basically, this course is structured and streamlined so that if you attend in Hyderabad or you attend in Delhi, it's going to be a replica. But what is there is, I have seen a lot of students doing both the courses to have a re-stimulation. You are more than welcome. The registrations are going on. If you have done a basic or the foundation course, you are applicable for the Pinnacle course. The Pinnacle course is in the last week of July, that is 25th, 26th and 27th July, spread over 3 days. Here, you will have different things to do. You will have hands-on experience on the saw bones, which have been imported from outside, with the techniques of putting the implants and achieving better results. It also has a simulation labs, which will help you practice more. This program again will be in Delhi NCR, Greater Noida. So you have an offer. You can combine registered for the basic course and the Pinnacle course, or either of them. Also, both the courses provides you with the workbooks to understand and remember more things. Not only this, all the senior teachers of Conceptual Orthopedics and for trauma specifically, Professor Shantaram Shetty sir and Professor Ajit Kumar sir has seen that this course is beautifully created. But who is the man behind this? That's Dr. Shailesh Pai, the Dr. Shailesh Pai sir. You know, कहते हैं उनको इश्क है इस कोर्स से. He will make sure that this is nothing short of a wonderful word, Sundar, Ati Sundar, beautiful. He has made things so wonderful that you will feel that interactions between the faculties are just like butter. You have Dr. Fahim Kotekar and Dr. Vishal Huggi who are standing on the right and left and right, tall with Dr. Shailesh Pai in delivering the lectures. These three make sure it's a beauty. The structure of the course, the schedule of the course is in the link beneath this video. We welcome you with an open heart. Come and learn with us. Make your hands work. Make your brain get stimulated so that you understand the trauma to the next level. I can promise you, nothing like this exists in this country, and it's not easy to replicate because not every day you have the person, Dr. Shailesh Pai sir, with his open heart to welcome you all. Also, to bring into your kind notice, if you have done the basic, that is the foundation course and then the Pinnacle course, you are eligible for the trauma fellowship at the Tejasvini hospital in Mangalore, which will be under the supervision of Professor Shantaram Shetty sir, Professor Ajit Kumar sir, and with Dr. Shailesh Pai and Dr. Fahim. This will be a great learning experience. If you have done both, your applications have been accepted for the first time. For the first set, we had huge response and we'll be shortly describing the 2 individuals who have been shortlisted for the same. And then subsequently, after the Pinnacle course in July, we'll again open the registrations for the next set of students. So we welcome you to the trauma courses. We have a mela of that. Thank you very much.